If you're designing a medical device and you're worried about particles or moisture in the air ruining your product, don't be. When converters use a cleanroom, we can eliminate any chance of bacterial growth. In this video, we're going to talk about cleanrooms, how to get a cleanroom certified, and how to know if a cleanroom is right for you. ISO cleanroom certification refers to the classification of ISO cleanrooms, based on the International Organization of Standardization. ISO cleanroom certification ensures that the cleanroom meets certain cleanliness standards. These can be necessary for various industries. Industries that use ISO cleanrooms include medical device manufacturing, electronic device manufacturing, aerospace product development, pharmaceutical compounding, and various laboratories. These industries rely on cleanrooms to maintain controlled environments. This is essential for producing complex products with high precision and reliability. ISO 7 cleanroom requirements include features such as HEPA fan filters, air locks and air conditioners, heat-welded floors, sealed lighting, stainless steel benches, and gowning atriums. Additionally, ISO 7 cleanrooms must adhere to specific air cleanliness standards with a maximum allowable concentration of particles per cubic meter, air filtration requirements, and air flow rate specifications per ISO 14644-1 standards. Having an ISO certification with your converting partner is essential, especially in industries requiring extreme precision and strict manufacturing guidelines. ISO cleanroom certification ensures that your partner can meet the demands of your industry. Finding a converter with cleanroom certification requires researching medical-based converters. Look for partners who offer services such as custom die cutting, laminating, slitting, rewinding, assembling, and packaging within a certified cleanroom environment. Additionally, exploring the manufacturing capabilities and certifications of potential partners can ensure that they can meet the specific requirements that you need. Working with a converter with a cleanroom can be a necessary step in the process. If you have any questions about cleanroom converting, please visit our Learning Center or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching!